On behalf of Mermelin, right?
Yes, Mermelin, she's from Waterford too.
Oh, okay, lots of conversations and memories. And so again, Mr. Kartel from the city of Lauderhill and its leadership, we present to you a proclamation, as well as from the county level as well. You have two proclamations. No, you have a proclamation, the key to the county. As mentioned, guess what? If you get a ticket, you call Commissioner Alexander Davis. From the state, Senator Osgood, you have a proclamation. And as well a proclamation from State Representative Lisa Dunkley, as well as Darrell Campbell, who was on Zoom, and in Congress. Your name is written in Congress, United States Congress, from our United States Representative. Ms. Sheila, she's going to say better than I.
Sheila Sherpa is before me.
Yes, so thank you. So Mom wanted to be here for all of you guys, so she's going to have to take pictures with every last one of you, Mr. Beenie Man and everybody. That's just my shameful plug, okay? Yeah, so I just saw her over there and remembered. So would love to be able to, yes. All right, good. So let's take the picture. And thank you, TJ. Wait, one moment. He has to have all of this stuff. Hold it out.
Thank you to the mayor, Ms. Grant, thank you to the city. And these proclamations mean a lot to me, you know why? Because I was in Canada when the hurricane hit. And I told my manager, TJ, I was like, TJ, we have to leave Canada now. We had 4 shows back to back, we take off one of the show then. So we didn't finish the third one. Went to Jamaica, mobilize with team, mobilize with people, and just get things going. So to be honored this way is a pleasure. It's like, it's a very humbling thing. So you know my motto already, God is the greatest. Good night everybody. Oh, big up the artists then, all our G them on the panel. You don't know, Miss Mayor, big up, enough love. Thank you guys.
We appreciate my mother is here, better. So we appreciate all of the persons that are here. We ask that we respect all of the artists and we show unity and strength because this is why we are here. So we thank you very much. And Mr. Beenie Man, you gotta play that song again, come, because the CG needs to dance. Andre, you gotta be faster than that, come on.
Yes, ma'am. Who am I? It's just the girl named Sugar. All right. Yeah,
Okay, so yes, we are honoring you today, Mr. Beenie Man, for your efforts as mentioned, and you have a proclamation from the city of Lauderhills leadership, as well as a key to Broward County. You have a tribute from, where is she? County Commissioner Hazel P. Rogers, also from the state of Florida, from Tallahassee, the capital, We have from Senator Osgood a proclamation, our state representative Lisa Dunkley, as well as Darrell Campbell. And from Congress, we have from our Congresswoman Sheila Chipris McCormick as well. And as mentioned, your name, sir, is registered in the Library of Congress. Yes, they can go and look it up and they'll see it. So we appreciate you, and thank you so much as well, all of you artists taking time out of your very busy schedule to be here and to celebrate Reggae Month with us. And it is really our honor to have you.
Nice like Jamaica was perfect.
We present you with a key to Broward County. We present you with a proclamation from the state senator, Rosalind Osgood, as well as from our state representative, Lisa Dunkley, and also Darrell Campbell. We present you with a tribute from County Commissioner Hazel P. Rogers, and we also present you with a proclamation from Congress.
From Congresswoman Sheila Sherkulis McCormick.
Yes, and so your name is actually written in the library.
His name will be written in the Library of Congress.
Yes. So we really appreciate your efforts, sir.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to say thank you so much. I'm not much of a speaker. I write songs, not speeches, but I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you. It's off the top of my head. I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies, thank you. Council, Commission, the mayors, city lawyers, everything. Appreciate you guys. All the people that work for me, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much.